Hey, hi Sitaram, how are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, sir. What about you, sir?
Yeah, I'm absolutely fine. Thank you for asking. So, can you tell us something
Yeah,
about yourself?
yeah. Basically, I'm from Karnataka. I done my graduation in a B, specialization in mechanical engineering. After my graduation, I done the software testing course. After my and coming to my hobbies, I am the good sportsman. I will play the cricket and volleyball. This is about me.
Right. So, when did you last play the cricket match?
Uh, 8 months ago, sir, because I'm in the Bangalore.
Right. So, you are fond of cricket and you played your last match 8 months ago. Don't you feel
Yes.
you are doing injustice to your passion?
Yeah, I'm missing. In Bangalore, it is not place to play the cricket.
Great. Okay. What brings you to the software testing? Why do you want to make your career in software testing?
Uh, because I love the testing, and if I'm graduating mechanical engineer in testing, interested in testing. So to test the parts, products, and then I come to know that. No, in the software test and the software field, testing field is there. I come to know from my friend. So then I choose the software testing in IT.
Great. What is Postman?
Sorry,
Yeah. What is Postman?
Postman.
Hmm. Yeah. So,
No, sir, I have not heard this word.
so is my screen visible?
Yes.
Right. So this is your CV. You mentioned good knowledge of
Yeah,
Postman,
Postman.
Postman tool and test cases. So what?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, Postman tool. It is tool which is an open source tool which is used to uh, test test the performance, that is the backend logic in the business layer.
Hmm. Okay. What else? Uh, what do you mean by local and global variables in Postman?
Local variables uh, which is applicable to uh, particular URL. So global variables are which is used to all the test cases or the all operations, collection operations.
Okay. But okay. Do you have any other point for local variables or global variables, environment variables?
Yeah, in the environment variables, we'll set up for different environment. For different environment, we use the different variables. Like for testing environment,
Which
for
are the
production
codes?
environment.
Yeah. Which are the codes that you will verify? Which are the different status codes that you will verify in API testing?
Uh, uh, Verify 401
Hmm.
and 402
Hmm.
and 501, 502. These are the codes we will verify.
What is 401?
It is invalid data. If you give the invalid data, the it will throw one 401.
So how will you test a particular API in Postman?
by hitting the request, by giving the URL, we'll hit the request to the API.
What will you provide in the authentication?
For authentication, we'll provide the authentication key.
Okay. Which are the types of authentication?
Authentication,
Sorry,
barrier tokens, or
bearer token. Okay, tokens you are telling.
yeah,
Okay,
barrier tokens we'll use for authentication, because we are using the some other person's information, or that's why we're using authentication.
okay. Can you tell me the defect in this resume?
Defect,
Can you find out the defect in this resume?
no sir.
Okay, I'll tell you one defect is there. Not a major defect, but yes, minor defect, you can say. See over here in API testing, you have mentioned the text in Noto sense, the font, and 13 is the size.
Okay.
And for this is also the same. But for this, it is Times New Roman.
Yeah.
So you should keep consistency in your CV. If you are using Times
Yes.
New Roman, use that Times New Roman. If you are using any other text, font size should be consistent.
Okay sir.
Yeah. So what is assertion in Postman 2?
Assertion, in assertion we not found any in Postman tool. It is in Selenium I found the assertions where we validate the expected and the actual result.
See, if you are writing no these things like API testing, you are having good knowledge on Postman tool, SOAP, and REST. So you will definitely get questions on these things, right? You definitely have assertions in Postman as well. You can assert, you can verify if the status code is 200 okay or not, right? So one question prior to
Yes.
this, I had asked you which are the status codes that you will verify. So the very first status code you will verify for any API is 200 okay is coming or not. If 200 okay is not coming, that's an error. Sometimes some developers do write 2 not 1 okay as the status,
Yes.
right? So 200 okay and 2 not 1 okay that you have to verify in each and every
Created.
APIs, right? And somewhere,
Yes.
I feel like, have you used Postman tool? Do you have hands-on experience in Postman tool?
Yes, I use the Postman tool.
Okay, you have used. So which APIs you have tested using Postman?
That is GitHub. I use the GitHub.
GitHub is actually a repository to
Yeah, repository.
uh,
Yes. There is a pet in the website. We will test
okay, so you have tested
pet
some
and
website you are telling like that.
yes.
Okay, so whichever website you have tested, you should be thorough with that. And in an interview, you might be asked like, what was the issues in that API, in that website API, right? API is backend, so you have tested some particular website you are telling. So you have tested the APIs of some particular website. Is that you are telling?
No, sir. We use the services. Like example, pet. There is one website. From that, we use the service pet for hitting the request, to get the request, to put some request to get
What do you know about collection framework?
collection framework. It is used to store both homogeneous and heterogeneous object. So there are some drawbacks in array to overcome that drawbacks, we go for collection framework. We store the multiple objects in single entity.
See, as a fresher, if you're mentioning so many things in your CV, that means you have got the knowledge or you have done hands-on experience. So let's say Selenium with Java, you might be knowing, and then SQL proficiency, API testing. Okay, so API testing, I have asked. What is the difference between inner join and outer join in SQL?
Inner join will be executed first, and outer join will be executed second. The output of the inner join will pass to the output of the output query. From that, when the input is given to the inner query, that result will pass to the outer query. Yeah.
Can you write a Java program to reverse a particular string? Let's say your name is Sitaram. Can you write
Yes.
a
Yes.
Java program to reverse this particular string? Yeah. Can you share your
Yes.
screen? Yeah.
Yeah. Sure.
Yeah. I've given you the rights. Now you can start sharing your screen.
Which one is the blue one, right?
The share screen option is there in the green color
Yes.
that you have to click,
Yes.
and in that select all windows. So everything will come for share. All screens or all windows kind of option you will get over there. Or share screen itself. So everything will come.
Yeah. I'm getting screen option and whiteboard.
Yeah, screen option. You can select, click on screen option. Yeah.
Yeah.
Just click on screen option and then we can see. Yeah, click on share also. In done. Not able to
I
see your screen.
clicking, but it is not.
Just click on share screen option and then
Yeah.
select screen. Yeah, select screen. So that would be highlighted in blue color and then click on share button.
Yes.
Done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now I'm able
Yes.
to see. Yes. Now you can write the Java program to reverse a particular string. Any string you can pick.
Okay. Let me open this one. ID. Is my screen is visible, sir?
Yes, yes.
It will take some time to. So I'm getting exception.
So what exception you are getting? String index out of
String
range.
index out of bound exception.
Okay, what can be the reason behind this?
Length is okay. It is greater than.
Okay, let it be an open question for the people who are watching this video. So you need to tell that why Sitaram is getting string index out of bound exception over here. Now Sitaram, let's move to the next question. You need to automate a Facebook application, right? Facebook web page. You need to automate that. You need to enter the credentials in the login page, username, and any invalid password you can enter. Okay, and then you need to
Okay.
verify the validation message that is displayed over there. Okay. So
Okay.
So you need to remember these things, that you this is how you will mention the path, right? For now you can take from other file, class file, but
Okay.
yeah, please keep these things, because in real time interview you might not have all those things available, resources available over there. And
Yeah,
if
yes,
you
sir.
will do such things, then it might not give a positive impression.
Yes.
So just write a program and then I'll ask you for the explanation. Okay. i'm I'm keeping
Yeah.
myself on mute for now.
Done, sir.
Okay, great. Now can you run this code? Yeah, just go on Eclipse and run the code.
Which one, sir?
Facebook code. Just run this script, automation script.
Which is I written, right?
Yeah, yeah. Same one. Facebook.java. Just run this script.
Okay.
Hmm. Okay, great. Yes. Continue on next questions. I'm stopping your screen sharing. Okay. So, what is the difference between severity and priority?
Severity will impact of the defect on the functionality of the application. Priority is how soon we should fix that defect, depend on the customer requirement, business requirement.
Can you tell me one defect with low severity and low priority?
Spelling mistakes in a paragraphs. Uh, this is examples, low severity and low priority.
Okay. Now
This is
let's
not
consider
important.
it is not
Yes.
important. If it is not on the main page, on the main page means where all the
Yes.
people are putting attention.
Which the user will not navigating continuously that page.
Correct. Correct. Great. Now, can you tell me high-level test scenarios for a Facebook-based application, the Facebook application? What all things you will test in that?
Scenarios: login, register,
Hmm.
buttons, like buttons we will test. High level we will test buttons, links, and should I open the Facebook?
No, no, that is fine. Just tell me the
Okay.
high-level test scenarios.
Okay, the stories which will upload to the user,
Hmm.
the stories and messages which are the replied by someone user, and integration between the messages, chats, and check the quality of the images, and load time of the videos. In Facebook it is a hybrid application, so it will take some time to load, so we'll check that uh, quality or loading quality means the performance of the application.
Correct. Very necessary. Hmm. Then what else?
uh, upload buttons, like we can upload the photo extensions, image extensions, different image extensions.
Yeah, the post you are
uh,
telling about.
yes, posting. Take test the time to upload that photos, videos.
What else?
uh, like
Messages,
yes, messages I told earlier.
notification.
Messages, yeah, notifications. If message is not sent, then we'll check the error message.
Done. That's it.
Yes, sir.
No, that's fine. This were good test cases. Okay, Sitaraman, I'm done with the interview. Do you have any questions for me?
Uh, like I know about you, sir. Like what you do.
Right. So, sorry.
I want to know about you, sir. Like what you will do is like.
Okay. Okay. So, I'm also in the same field of software testing, right? And I'm also performing QA, and I'm working in one of the company. Right? So, same software testing, automation, robotic process automation, these things. I'm okay. And
Okay.
in the weekends, Saturday, Sunday, I'm taking interviews.
Okay. That will helpful to job seekers. Um,
Thank you so much, Sitaram, for coming on this channel, and all the best for your career.
yeah. Thank you, sir. Same to you.